Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
So, you're getting ready to file your taxes, but you can't find that original, perforated W-2 that your employer mailed you. Maybe you lost it, or maybe your employer only sent you a digital PDF. The big question is, will the IRS accept a copy of your W-2? The short answer is yes, almost always, but it depends on how you're filing your taxes. Let's break it down. If you are like the vast majority of Americans and you e-file your tax return using software, then a copy is perfectly fine. When you e-file, you aren't actually sending a physical document to the IRS. You are simply entering the information from your W-2, like your wages in Box 1 and your federal income tax withheld in Box 2, into the tax software. The software then transmits this data electronically to the IRS. For this purpose, any legible copy will work. A PDF your employer emailed you, a clear photograph you took with your phone, or a paper photocopy are all sufficient because all you need is the accurate data to type in. The IRS system will then match the numbers you entered with the information your employer already submitted. Now, if you are one of the few who still files a paper tax return by mail, the rules are slightly different. When you file by mail, you are required to physically attach a copy of your W-2 to your Form 1040. The official W-2 form your employer provides has several copies, and Copy B is designated for your federal tax return. Ideally, you should attach that specific copy. However, if you only have a photocopy or a printout of a digital W-2, the IRS will generally accept it as long as it is clear, legible, and complete. Do not send a blurry, dark, or unreadable copy, as this will likely cause a processing delay or a notice from the IRS asking for more information. But what happens if you don't have a W-2 at all, not even a copy? Your first step should always be to contact your employer or former employer to request another one. If you still haven't received it by mid-February, you can call the IRS, and they can contact the employer on your behalf. If the tax deadline is looming and you still have nothing, you can file a Form 4852, which is a substitute for a W-2. You would use information from your final pay stub to fill it out. Keep in mind that if you do this and later receive your actual W-2 with different numbers, you will need to file an amended tax return. So, to sum it up, for e-filing, any clear copy works. For paper filing, a legible photocopy is usually okay. I hope this helps clear up any confusion and makes your tax filing a little bit smoother. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel.